Hello and welcome to What's Hot in the Kitchen. I'm Mary.
I'm Sue.
And today we're cooking
air fried chicken wings.
All right, to start off we're gonna take our wings, and these are just regular chicken wings, and we're gonna cut it down the middle till we get to the joint, and I usually split it to where I can see where the joint crease is and then cut it between there. And that's your drummy. And then we're just going to cut the tip off the same way. I cut it until I fill the bone. I split it and then cut it between the bone. And then the tip you can save for a stock and eat it later, or a stew.
All right, now that our wings are cut, we're going to now season them. So what I've done, just to make it easier, is to put it out on a cookie sheet. To go ahead and season it with the McCormick's. I've gone ahead and sprayed my basket just to make it easier to clean. I'm now placing the chicken wings, and of course you're not going to be able to put all these wings at the same time, but you know, a good amount. I've already preheated my oven to 400. For 20 minutes. And then after 20 minutes, I'm going to turn them and cook them for an additional 20 minutes. And it is on air fry.
For our wing sauce, while the wings are cooking, we're gonna do 2/3 of a cup of Frank's hot sauce, a half a cup of unsalted butter, 1.5 tablespoons of white vinegar, a 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then you can salt to taste. Our sauce, you're going to start with melting the butter. Then we'll add our Frank's hot sauce. Our vinegar, our Worcestershire, our cayenne pepper, and our garlic powder. once it's heated, you can set it aside and wait for your wings to get done so you can toss the wings in it.
Now that our wings are done, I'm going to take them out. All right, now we're going to toss them in the wing sauce that we made. Ready?
Bon appetit.
All right. Oh, wow.
Nice.
Very good.
Air fried hot wings. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.